Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and today we're demonstrating a unit out of a 1969 Dodge Coronet. This comes from Mark in Tucson, Arizona. Heck, he's just about 3-4 hours away from me. He can come here and beat me up. Oh, this is for Mark and Larry's Auto, so there's two of them. So two of them can come and beat me up. So we better make sure this thing works right before we send her back. This is a basic modern conversion with FM. No additional features except the aux input. There's no Bluetooth or USB or anything. So let's just turn her on and make sure everything works. Got it set to FM at the moment. And we'll just run it down the dial.
Returning
I like to run it all the way down the dial. Make sure we pick up some stations here. Okay.
You know, the current, uprising.
All the way down to today.
Org.
What's she?
baby, it's a while.
Sell some stuff.
98% graduate.
Jesus.
In time of uncertainty,
Difficult transit.
With me again.
$2 or a
Okay, that's pretty typical. About 30 FM stations, 30, 31. Let's flip it over to AM. Make sure we pick up the 2 or 3 AM stations. On the unit that does not have an AM-FM switch, we switch bands by going off and then right back on within about half a second. And let's see if we can pick up anything on the AM band.
This becomes a really thorny issue.
1 weak station.
Life.
There's our second weak station. Then we get a stronger one about here.
Gas or pain.
And there's our stronger one.
Sometimes all at
Okay,
once.
so we'll go back to FM so I can demonstrate a few of the hidden, or one of the hidden function, Get us. There we go. Okay, we use this. This is not likely to generate a copyright ding. So we're gonna look at our output level meter so we can see the results of our adjustment. Rotate our balance control all the way left, that is, all the way right, all the way left. Okay, gonna center it. Okay, now this unit also has a front rear fader. As soon as I get these speakers centered better. Okay, now we're gonna activate the virtual front rear fader. We do that by giving our tone control 2 turns upward. So let's try that.
Fader adjust.
Okay, lady says fader adjust. So now the same control is adjusting our front rear speaker balance. All the way front, all the way rear, front, rear. Okay, I'm going to center the speakers. Take my hand off the
Fader
controls.
set.
Fader set. Okay, now I can see that my balance has become a little bit off, so we'll just fix that real quick.
Is it a kind of dream?
Okay, now we're going to test the 8-track. And here we go. Got some Niels Tonic. We don't need these anymore.
If your chick's flown the coop, knock the blue.
Okay, you're going to switch tracks a bunch of times.
Ding dong gorilla and a karaoke. There is no other in this whole world. You'll find that living's great. Just pretend you're right there. Open up your uncle who's a cousin to a chimpanzee. Alice is plenty of fish.
Alrighty. Pull the tape out, radio comes right back. Now we're going to test our aux input. I'm just going to feed a quick tone into it, make sure it switches over. Okay, one side, other side, and now the radio is still holding onto the aux input just to make sure it's not constantly switching back and forth between the radio and the aux source, like when you're between songs on your MP3 player or during quiet music passages. This makes sure that it's not constantly switching back and forth. It's a 20-second delay. If you don't like the delay, just turn the unit off, turn it right back on. Radio will come right back. And here it is, just came back by itself after 20 seconds. And that concludes the test except for the dial light. Make sure that works up. You can just see that lighting up, flashing in response to my command. So that takes care of that. Everything's working. We have tested the 8-track AM/FM virtual fader, onboard balance, tone control. Everything is working. Pilot light. And everything's cool, so she's ready to go back, and I'm ready to get on to the next job. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio up here, and you've just seen what I can do to a classic car AM radio, either with or without an 8-track. I don't do just 8-tracks. I also do standalone radios, just in case you guys are wondering. My phone number that you can reach me for repair work only, or conversion work, not to look for belts or parts or nothing like that. You got to look elsewhere for that. My number is 928-533-9666. My very informative website is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and listening, everybody. We'll see you next time.